Sentence School is a natural for Handwriting Without Tears. We know about teaching handwriting skills, but we also know how children learn best. Sentence School is active with learning materials, with props, with things to do. And so Sentence School is engaging and accessible because we have multisensory activities in the do part of the program.
I see 2 words in the box. Can you go ahead and take a word out for us? Okay, and we are going to read and spell this word together, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to read and spell it together. The word is sink. Sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Can you go get another word for me? The next word is float. Let's spell F-L-O-A-T. Float. Now, Mina, can you reach in and get the forks for me? How many forks do you have?
2.
2 forks. Can you put them in the water? Mina, what do forks do?
Right.
Forks sink. Boys and girls, can you say forks sink? That's right. Now, Mina, can you go ahead and get the corks? Now, can you put those in the water? Let's see what happens. What do corks do? Corks float. Ready, boys and girls? Corks float. That's right. Now, Mina, I'm going to write a sentence. Would you like me to write forks sink or corks float? Corks float. I'm going to write corks float, but I need your help. Remember the hand positions? After I write a capital, what are you going to do with your hand? Capital, and the helper's really going, Mina's really going to help you. And then if it's a lowercase small letter, what are you going to do with your hand? And if it's tall, what are you going to do? You're going to show me it's tall. And if it's a descender, what are you going to do? That's right, you're going to do that. Okay, so you want me to write that corks float. So Mina, come help me. And you can help by standing right here and face the boys and girls and show them with your hands after I write, okay? So the first letter is a capital C. Capital C. And the next letter is O. And the next letter is R. R is small. Good job, Mina. And the next letter is a little tricky. K. K is tall. K is tall. And the next letter is S. S is small. What comes next? Write a word and leave a space. Let's move on over to leave our space. You ready? Now we're going to write float. Float. We need an F. F. F is tall. And the next letter is, oh, a little tricky again. T. T is tall. It's not tricky for you guys, is it? Tall. Is this the end? Is it the end? What do we need?
Period.
A period. That's right. Make sure we put a period at the end. Now, boys and girls, let's read our sentence together. Corks float.